a very good evening to A very good evening to all the main doctors, sir. Sir, myself Manish Agrawal. I'm ABM Maximum Division, and sir, thank you so much for joining us today's webinar, sir. Sir, our endeavor is to spread awareness about rabies, which is a fatal but can be avoided once appropriately vaccinated. This is an initiative from Cadila through its innovation to serve the society and humankind. The topic of the webinar is doses reduction strategy in rabies management, role of novel vaccine. Dear doctors, rabies is the world's first novel 3-dose anti-rabies vaccine, and with great pride, we would like to inform you that rabies has successfully completed 1 year of the launch, with more than 40,000 animal bite victims being vaccinated, and 100% compliance was recorded, and no case of adverse drug reactions was registered. So, with this, it's my honor to introduce you to the speaker today's webinar, Dr. Vinod Joshi, MD physician at Jaipur. He's practicing for more than 15 years, and I'm knowing him for more than almost 10 to 12 years. He's very kind, and he's very much. He's been awarded for many times, and he's very much connected to their patients also. And now we would like to request Dr. Vinod Joshi to initiate the talk, and later on we'll have a question answer session. All the participants can drop their questions in the drop box, and we will read out all the questions after the presentations. So over to you, Dr. Vinod Joshi.
Good evening, friends and colleagues. Yesterday, India launched a rocket for the moon. Similarly, we have Cadila Pharmaceuticals, which has launched a novel anti-rabies vaccine of 3-dose. And let us discuss about this, the wonder vaccine. We will discuss about the disease, the animal bites, incidences, and our challenges. Next. The fast chalao. Rabies is a disease caused by zoonotic virus. Zoonotic disease, and it is caused by rabies virus. Virus is encoded by 5 structural proteins. G protein is the major antigen in the formation of neutralizing antibodies against rabies vaccine. Globally, 59,000 deaths occur every year, and in India, 20,000 deaths occur due to rabies infection. Rabies is 100% fatal, but 100% vaccine preventer disease. Rabies vaccine, earlier we used to find, the scientists have developed it through nervous tissue, and nowadays it is developed from cell culture inactivated vaccine. Current rabies vaccines are cell cultured vaccines. Inactivated vaccines are 50 years old technology. Inconsistency in potency, stability, short supply, adverse events. Decreased compliance beyond 3 injections. But now, earlier it used to be 5 injections in a month for and major non-compliance was due to more injections to be given. Recently, we have rabies vaccine from Cadila Pharma company, which is used in 3 doses. meeting the unmet medical need, introducing a novel vaccine with simple and shorter regime. Threvis, first protein subunit vaccine. Prepared by VLP platform technology, first vaccine with 3-dose intramuscular regime, 0-3-7 days. Better compliance due to easy to flow regime and less visits. Convenience is ready to use, no reconstitution needed. This is the virus particle, and we have developed virus-like particles as vaccine, which is very similar to the virus. VLP technology, original research article of novel recombinant rabies G protein vaccines, Threvis. This was researched by Dr. Sumit Poddar, Dr. Ashok Agarwal, Dr. Amit Soni, and Dr. Seema Sharma. Clinical phase 2 trial was done, and seroprotection data and study design was conducted for 5-dose vaccine, and this was compared in phase 3 trial with our Threvis vaccine. So in phase 3 trial, safety and immunogenicity of a novel 3-dose recombinant nanoparticle rabies G protein vaccine administered as simulated post-exposure immunization, a randomized comparator controlled multi-center phase 3 clinical study. In phase 3 study, Threvis was compared with other vaccine, which is a 5-dose regime. Study design and objective to demonstrate non-inferiority of the vaccine with the comparator vaccine. Primary objective was subjects with seroprotection at 14 days post first dose of vaccine. And secondary objective was subjects with seroprotection at 42 days post first dose of test vaccine. Safety by monitoring subjects with adverse events. And the results were very encouraging. Efficacy was very good. Safety was very good, as you have seen in this data. Threvis was non-inferior to reference vaccine, less adverse effects compared to reference vaccine. Novel 3-dose Threvis was found to be safe, immunogenic, and was comparable to 5-dose of WHO pre-qualified vaccine. And this vaccine also got award of Pharma Innovation of the Year by Economic Times and the Golden Globe Tigers Award, Malaysia, for Innovative Products of the Year. Thank you.
So, thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you, Dr. Vinod Joshi, to have your time with us. And now we move to question answer session, where we have received 1 or 2 queries. Like sir, जो generally जो rabies का जो एक question रहता है कि how do you feel safe against 3 dose to 5 dose, sir? कि अभी इतने टाइम से 5 डोज का था, अभी 3 डोज का है, so how do you feel, sir? Is it safe and what is your clinical experience And any suggestions, sir, from your side, sir?
The 3 days vaccine is equally safe and equally effective as 5-dose vaccine. So we can always give 3-dose vaccine therapies. It is very good and safe.
Thank you, sir. So thank you so much, Dr. Vinod Joshi, for informative talk. We truly appreciate your efforts. Last but not least, we would like to inform you that Thrabis has won 2 prestigious awards in innovation category: Economic Time Indian Pharma Award and Golden Globe Tiger Award. So I hope that this was very informative session for everyone, and I thank everyone to join and to take their precious time to join this meeting. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, good afternoon.
Sir, you are on mute, sir.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Sir, please unmute, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Please, sir.
Yes.
Balmunu, sir, you were saying something.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, a special vote of thanks from Cadila Pharmaceuticals.
Oh, thank you.
टाइम दिया सर हमें, और thanks to all the delegates for giving your valuable times. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
हो गया बस, अपने आप बताए।